Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, this is our 11th lecture. The title of the today's lecture is Institutional Theory Model. This model is based on the institutions of the government which are working on the different levels and perform the different functions. They are established on the organization of the institutions, the main institutions of the government which are responsible to make the policies. They are the legislature, executive, and to some extent the judicial institutions. In this regard, the other institutions which have the authority to implement the public policy made by the government, that institution is bureaucracy and other related institutions of local government bodies. In the policy implementation, the duties and the functions of the government institutions are fixed so that they could apply public policy to resolve the problems of the people which they are facing. The basic function to resolve the public issues. For that purpose, the policies are made and implemented. For the development of the institutional method, we consider the constitutional provisions, administration, common law, and judicial decisions. These are the bases on which the public policies are discussed and are made to resolve the public issues. These are the basic provisions of the government. These provisions are constitutional provisions, administrative rules or laws, the common law for the provide base for the making of public policy. In this method, we focus on the formal government institutions and formal government procedures. Traditionally, this model discusses and studies the government institutions, parliament, executive, courts, political parties, and pressure groups. These are the institutions which are responsible to make policies in one or the other form. Policy becomes a public policy when any institution of government or government himself adopts it and then implement it through the government institutions. In this way, government gives legitimacy to policy which is made by the government. The policy will become legal when government will adopt it. Before the adoption of government, the policy has no legal status. Government always cover the policies implemented and made by them, because the policies are always universals and equally apply to all the segments of the public, to all the peoples of the society. And the government enforce the policy universally because the government has coercive power to implement the policy. No other institution or person in the government or in the state has the power, has coercive power regarding the implementation of policies or making of public policies. The government has monopoly on the coercive power. Government used the coercive power that the people could not resist their policies. If any of the segment of the society or person refuse to obey the public policy, then government punish these people or those groups through their coercive power and punish the violators. So we will focus on the study of the institution of this method, the structure of the institutions, organization of the institutions, duties and functions of the institutions, who are responsible to make public policies and implement public policies, but without investigating their impact on the public policy. Thank you very much. If you have question, you can call me or you can write on this at the end of this lesson. I will be available to your questions or answers. Thank you.